1. Household waste selection. The process begins with selecting plastic household waste. Only suitable plastic materials are chosen, and safety gloves are used to show responsible handling in a home environment. 2. Cutting waste into smaller pieces. Next, the plastic waste is reduced into smaller pieces. This step represents basic preparation and helps explain that materials are easier to process when they are smaller. 3. Drying the prepared waste. The prepared plastic pieces are then laid out to dry. Airflow is shown to represent moisture removal, which helps keep the material clean and ready for the next stage. 4. Sealed container concept. The dried plastic is placed into a sealed container. This container represents an oxygen-free environment, which is essential for the pyrolysis concept. 5. Heat breakdown concept. When heat is applied inside the sealed container, the plastic begins to break down. It separates into vapor and solid residue, shown here using symbolic colors and shapes. 6. Vapor flow path. The generated vapor moves away from the container through a simple pathway. Arrows show the direction of movement, helping visualize how the material travels through the system. 7. Cooling the vapor. As the vapor cools, it begins to change state. This step shows how gas can turn into liquid through cooling, using a simplified visual explanation. 8. Liquid collection. The cooled liquid is collected in a labeled container. This liquid represents a conceptual fuel product and is shown with safety symbols to reinforce safety awareness. 9. Byproducts overview. The process produces more than one result. Solid residue, liquid fuel, and remaining gas are shown as 3 separate byproducts of pyrolysis. 10. Waste to energy concept. In the final step, household waste is symbolically transformed into energy. This image highlights sustainability and the idea of turning waste into a useful resource. Closing text, outro, 10 to 15 seconds. This visual explanation helps illustrate how waste transformation works at a conceptual level. It is designed to promote understanding, safety awareness, and sustainable thinking.